Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Geometric series questions look scary, but this one collapses quickly if you spot the pattern, use the sum formula carefully, and control the alternating sign. Start by rewriting the series as b minus b squared over a plus b cubed over a squared so you can clearly see it is geometric, with alternating signs built in. Now identify the first term as a equals b, because plugging in n equals 0 gives b, and the common ratio is each term divided by the previous one. That ratio is negative b over a, so the sum is a over 1 minus r, which becomes b over 1 plus b over a. Well done! Option B. Scan now, watch signs, avoid rushing, trust what is given, and check each step before choosing the geometric series sum.